In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to tap on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down a tiny bit to click on Device Unlock. Tap on Screen Lock over here and select one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. After tapping on the best one for you, you need to create it. If you made a mistake, hit clear at the bottom left corner and input it correctly. To continue, hit next at the bottom right one. Repeat it to confirm it and hit confirm. Now you need to answer this question to adjust your lock screen notifications. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, Icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!